tape.
Measuring everything.
Treats.
What?
It's not working?
No.
Is it not allowed?
That's why there's no line. You gotta design.
Put it on party. Look around, the room is changing.
Oh, the music?
Did the lights
The
change?
lights.
Cottage core room.
Vanities are in.
The stairs are cute. Stop. That is true, because before when they weren't painted, I would get so dizzy on these stairs.
Do we need?
Bonji, a koala. And a mommy and a baby. Mommy and baby koala.
7.5 inches tall.
Okay.
The arms are roughly.
Okay, we're here for the kallax. Oh, it's not as tall as I thought it was going to be. Well, actually, no, it is kind of long. Okay, that's the shelf. And I think we want to get the base, too. The little feet on the floor. I think it would be nice to have, right? Oh, here it is. I found it. I think.
I get it for you.
Dream shelf.
I like mine.
We can put this in the car. So cute.
Cheers.
Ah!
You said cheers.
Trouble focusing. I'm here to buy someone's CD. I got it from another Swiftie. I love this one, it's so cute. Okay, we're up in here looking for light bulbs. We don't know. They got bathtubs. Don't come in this store, but there's like so many things, and I don't even know where to look. Look, it's like plugs. Oh, because it's plugs, not a light bulb. Do they even sell light bulbs like that? We got the light bulbs.
Best service ever.
The guy was so nice, and he explained the light bulb to us, and like even took it out to show us it.
Bro, MVP. I didn't get his name, dude. He needs a raise.
We also ended up with a box of mangoes.
It's not quite like donuts. Yeah, just like coffee. No, it's good though.
Got these big ass blueberries. I have to get them. We found a kiwi bear and a strawberry cat. And I'm not gonna get them. This is Mitchard. He likes baseball. And this one's Olma. She makes fruit and veggie stamps. But she's a fruit. Anyways,